Welcome back to the series. We are developing a web app like Tinder in less than 1 hour. We already developed a beautiful user sign up and login in the last part. That means my users can onboard my app now. So in this part, we will be adding a user profile for the signed in user with all the data that we have collected when the user signed up. Then develop a signed in view for our app, where users can primarily see 3 tabs for profile, feed, and matches. Let's dive in. So first, we need to add a profile template to this project. We can ask the AI to add a profile feature. Click on confirm and let's wait for the build to get completed. It says the output is live. Let's give it a try. You can use this select box to view all the pages you have added so far. Yes, now we got ourselves a profile. Let's try adding a profile picture. Okay, so that's done. Next, we need to create a signed in view for our app. Like when the user is signed out, they should see the landing page. And when the user is signed in, they should see a dating feed. So this is a custom requirement and we don't have any template for it on mern.ai at the time of this recording. So I'm going to manually code this blank feature. So from the features tab, I can click on this new feature button and create a blank feature. I'll name this to something I can relate to. Profile feed. Inside this new feature, I'm going to add a blank UI/React component file. I'll name this feed home. We can also give an alias for this new file. Let me give this at feed home. This alias helps when you want to mount this file to some other file. Now we have a new page with a hello world message. So we need to link this page to the home page first. So this is the home page people should see when they are logged out. But now user is logged in, so they must see the hello world page. For that, we can go inside the homepage feature and open home.client.tsx. There we need to mount the new page. We can use the areas we gave before. After that, what we want to do is, we will replace the contents between the header and footer here if the user is logged in. So let me create a new constant to collect the data from the logged in user. I can use the current keyword for that. Now in here, I will write a condition that if current.isAuthenticated equals to true, then show the feed homepage. Else, we will show the same div, that is the current landing page. So a quick recap, if the user is authenticated, then he will see the feed homepage. Else he will just see the landing page. Let's hit save and check. It says hello world message now. So if I log out, it will show the landing page. And if I sign in again, it will show whatever we write in the feed homepage. So instead of this hello world message, we need to bring the UI of the dating app. Here I will show you another way to fasten development with mern.ai. Now I need to develop UI with 3 tabs for profile, feed, and matches. And instead of developing it from the scratch, I can use AI to generate a code snippet for me for the UI. Let me clear this chat first. Then I can ask the AI, I need to develop an UI with 3 tabs on top center, namely profile, feed, and matches. And send. Now we got a snippet for UI. So what I want to point out is that mern.ai generates code that is very compatible with the rest of the code. So it's very easy to use the generated code inside any file you want without much hassle. So let's copy this, go to feed home.tsx and replace the entire content with this snippet. Click save and done. Let's refresh this page. Now we have 3 tabs for profile, feed and matches. How fast is that, right? And if you're logged out, you won't see these tabs, only the landing page. Now let's end this part by bringing in the profile feature that we added before into this profile tab we have here. For that, we need to import the profile feature into this feed home.tsx file. Then we can edit the AI generated code. Instead of this profile content message, we will call the profile feature. Hit save. Let's refresh and see. Now the profile page is here, but we got an additional header and footer that came with it. So let's remove that. We can go to the profile.client.tsx file inside the profile feature, and we will just remove the header tag and the footer tag from this file. Let's save it and check again. Now you see we don't have any extra headers or footers here. We can go to other tabs, we can see the profile and add profile picture. So yeah, that's it for this part. Now what we have left is the feed tab where you can see other people stating profiles and swipe through profiles, and the matches tab where you can chat with your matches in real time. We already covered around 20 minutes in the 1 hour mark. Now we have 40 minutes to develop the rest of the app. In the next part, what we will be developing is the actual dating feed with swipeable user cards. So yeah, stay tuned. See you in the next video.